You spend 10 hours editing. You polish the audio. You obsess over the frame rate. Then you hit publish. And the only thing that happens is the sound of crickets. It's not just a slow start. It's a systematic failure. You aren't being ignored because you lack talent. You're being ignored because you are creating in the dark. And in this economy, the dark is where content goes to die. The algorithm isn't a person. It's a cold, unfeeling machine that speaks only one language: data. While you're guessing what your audience wants, your competitors are using cold, hard numbers to predict it. Every video you post without looking at the search volume or the competition score is a gamble. And let's be honest, you're losing that gamble every single day. I used to be exactly where you are. I thought effort was the currency of success. I was wrong. The currency is accuracy. I stopped asking what do I want to make and started asking what does the data demand. The moment I stopped trusting my gut and started trusting the search intent of millions, the graph didn't just move, it snapped into a vertical line. Think of your channel like a locked room. Most creators spend years scratching at the walls, trying to break out with pure willpower. But there is a key. It's not a secret strategy or a hack. It is a lens. It's the ability to see the search volume, the competition gaps, and the keywords that actually convert views into a loyal, recurring audience. This isn't about software. It's about infrastructure. I stopped flying blind and started using the same data suite the top 1% of creators use to dominate their niches. It's the only way to turn the guessing game into a predictable engine. If you want to stop the cycle of low views, you have to stop playing the game by your own rules and start playing it by the machines. The bridge between where you are and where you want to be is already built. I've left the exact tool I use linked in the description below. If you're tired of the silence, stop guessing. Take the data, apply it to your next upload, and watch the shift. The link is there. All you have to do is click it and decide if you want to keep playing or if you're finally ready to start winning.